Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we have a basic version of new Hyundai 2020 Creta. But when you see this car with any other cars or even the higher end ones, we are pretty damn sure you're gonna love this car more than any other ones. So let's have a look. Starting from face of the car, which is its grille. So the Hyundai has given a pretty basic grille which is all black, but we want luxury feel, isn't it? So we have installed the complete chrome grille set on this car. Beneath you see is the full bumper kit. This just not adds protection to your car, but it's ultra stylish. The second piece of the body kit is the back bumper diffuser guard. So this also adds a very sporty look to the SUV. The brightness of the headlights that company gives you is not sufficient enough for our Indian roads. Hence, we enhance the complete brightness of the headlight by the maximum percentage one can. We have installed complete Platinum series of BRK LEDs. These are very bright enough. This light increases the length of the illumination by 300%. It's not only lengthier, wider, but also very much brighter. Many customers ask us, we brought a Creta sized car which is basically a crossover, but we want to make it look like a big SUV. So the answer to all those questions is a mighty manly alloy. So this alloy completely enhances the look of the wheel. It gives a very good depth and it's unlike the wheel cap that the company gives you. Minute details add very good beauty to your car. The example for that is this roof rail. The base version doesn't get any of these minor additives. And these small elements gives you the feel of the higher end car. Stylish element number 2. The chrome finish or the metallic finish OE fitment side footstep. When your racing spirits just kick in, you won't take every other damn car on the road and they give you something else that admires them. The crazy looking Matrix animated tail light. So this thing here has a very cool animated effect which runs throughout the body length. The first thing that you notice when you enter inside of the car is its dashboard. So we have installed a very stylish complete Android system in this car. So this is a 9-inch Full HD with DSP digital sound processor which gives you a very good experience of sound. The Goldfinch 9.1 system with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of inbuilt memory. So the video clarity of this system is excellent. The audio clarity is unbelievable. Let's check it out. Here you have the complete Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, screen setting, amplifier setting, screenshot and cleanup just like any other regular Android system. And the best feature of this, what we call is DSP settings. You have multiple options preset by the company so that you can select one and change the experience of your hearing in the car. So here you have bass, Dolby, popular rock, classical, jazz. Each of the setting has a different sound experience altogether. So when you select one of these, the complete audio experience will change as per your selection. The audio system that we installed in this car is a mix-up of 3 companies. The damping is from Blopung, which is a very well-known brand for its quality. The components, we have installed two sets of components, one in the back and one in the front. The advantage of having the component speakers is that comes with a tweeter. The guzzle sound, the tweets, the crispness comes from the tweeter, wherein the depth of voice and the mid-range comes from the main speaker. So the complete surround effect fills up. What you see here is from Rockford Prime series, which is very much famous for its loudness and clean punching. The reason behind very less or almost zero noise inside the cabin is because of the damping that we have done on this car. The complete sheet of the door has been damped with Bloppung 2.0. We have installed here the full matting, which is called split matting. The advantage of this is it is 100% waterproof. Once you install in this car, there is no perfect necessary to remove this for at least another couple of years. But when you want to remove, this is fitted with a velcro. So this does not only come to the dicky part of the car, but it covers the entire carpet area in your car. To pack up the dicky area and complete the feel of an inherent car, we have the parcel tray. To enhance the premium feel of the interiors, we have upgraded the upholstery with complete high-end series of Mongolian Dolby series leather. So you can see this wine color really suits with the exterior of the car, and the dual toning with black also matches the exterior. Last but not the least, the window film that we installed on this car is RTA approved, and it is 92% heat rejection, comes with 75% of visibility and 8 years of replacement warranty. When you are inside the car with this super cool window film, it's like you are in a refrigerator. Plus points to the AC of the car. So guys, if you wish to enhance or upgrade your car like this one, contact us at 880-160-7288. Here's Rohan signing off.